When I'm working with Music One, I like to have several different views of my category list. Here's a view that I call Tempo, and it shows me title, artist, and the tempo of the song. If I click on the heading, it'll sort alphabetically by tempo, and I see that I have a handful of songs here that have no tempo assigned to them, and I need to get busy doing that. Switch to a different view. Here's Spins. This shows title, artist, and plays this list. 6 plays for Keith Whitley in this category, 90s, and he's played 193 times since I added him to the library. That's a combination of all the categories that he's been in. So there's my Spins view. I have a view for dates. It shows me title, artist, the hit date, the year that it was a hit. And also I've got a chart position in here. So this song right here hit number 2 on the Billboard charts in 1994. To make these views, and you can make up to 10 different ones. To make these views, you go to the View menu and you select one of the track views. Let's select view number 9. And then with view number 9, you can rename it. Open the View menu and select Rename Tracks View, and you can change it to something else. And now let's say what we want in this view. This one has columns for cart, title, and artist. If I want to change one of those, I'm going to put my pointer right over cart, do a quick little right click, and select field, and I will change that to gender. Now, gender can be displayed either as short or long. Short is abbreviated. Change that here to long. With the column highlighted and selected here in this little box, click the rainbow and the colors go. If you want to add something new to a view, do a right click, select New Field, and you can select any field that is in Music One. To change the font, quick right click on a heading. That heading is highlighted in the middle box here. And then click the A, and this little box appears. Change the font size, click OK, and now that font's a little bit lower. To add another column to a view, right-click in any heading and select New Field, and select what you want to show. And that column will appear in your view. To move columns, right-click in a heading and select Move Column Right or Move Column Left. I'm going to move the artist to the left. So it's relatively easy to do. The main thing is if you're going to change one of the columns, you put your pointer in that column heading and do a quick little right-click, and that column name will then show up in this field here. So right-click. Now gender is highlighted. And whatever I want to do to gender, I can now do. I can change it to short view or long view. I can change the alignment. It's now centered. And when we click on the A pop-up box appears where you can select the font style, and the size that you want for that particular column.